video, we're going to discuss one of the three main ways to download Zacks data into Excel. This will be using the time series link. A time series link allows you to download a time series of data for a specific data point for one ticker. In this example, we will download a month-end price for the ticker AAPL. To get started, we're going to select the cell we want to work in. For here, we'll use A2. Next, we're going to go up to the Zacks ribbon, and we're going to hit Time Series. This will bring up the Zacks Time Series link wizard. Here, we're going to go to our databases, and we'll click DBCM Hist. This is the historical information that comes out of our DBCM database. Here, we'll go to Price and Price Change, and we're going to go to Month-End Price. To the right of the item, you'll see 121M. This denotes that this item could potentially have 121 months of available data. Next, we'll define the elements. We'll start by doing our starting date / period. Here we could specify a specific date, recent, but for now, I'm just going to keep #1. Here is how much time we're going to go back. So, since it's a monthly figure, we'll do 36 to get 3 years of data. And we're going to go back by this period pound. Next, we'll determine what items we want within our time series. Here we could have item name, data value, or item value. Since data value and item value are defaulted, we'll keep consistent and keep that the same. The next is we'll determine the time direction. Here we have past selection. This is defaulted and it will bring in the data from the starting period going back in time. We'll keep this option since it is the most commonly used. The next thing we have is the orientation. When it's selected right, that means our data will go from left to right. If it's down, our data will go down. Here, I want the data to go down. Finally, we're going to enter a ticker into the ticker box. If you want to use the main sheet ticker, we're going to leave this blank. The main sheet ticker can be found with what is in this item right here, this change ticker. You'll see what ticker is available in there, and you can adjust it based on that. But for this example, we will use AAPL, or Apple. We'll click Apply, Close, and then we want to refresh the data. Now we see we have the month-end price going down the right side here in column B, and we have the date associated with that price going down the column in A. Now we can make this actually a relative reference. We can put in a ticker right here. In this case, I'll do DE. And we can go into our function up here and we can actually delete out everything here, quotes and everything, and we'll click DE and we'll reference there. And we'll do the same thing right here. We'll get rid of the ticker and the quotes and we'll reference our ticker here. Now if we hit refresh all, you'll notice that we have the DE month-end prices. Now since it's referenced, we can actually change this to any ticker we choose and we can refresh and we'll get this information. The time series is great to find a historical time plot of data for one specific item and one specific ticker. Thank you for watching the ZRS Excel link, how to use the time series link.